Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Ford Kuga 2 litre TDCI ST Line edition. This car's finished in shadow black. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, grey ST Line grille, front fog lights, styling kit in the colour of the car, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters. We've got the roof rails, front parking sensors which is part of the park assist pack, ST Line wing badges, rear privacy glass. You've got the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Sorry, these are 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Near side front. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey Alcantara trim with leather side panels and the red stitching. ST Line chrome threshold plates. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrest with cup holders. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. We've got a 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Rear parking sensors, again part of the park assist pack. Into the rear load area. You've got the 60/40 split rear seat. 12-volt plug-in for accessories, and this car is equipped with the Space Saver spare wheel. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car, on the driver's door, you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. On the dashboard you've got the lights, which has got automatic headlamps. Centre armrest with internal storage box, and in there you've got 2 USB plug-in points. This car's done 44,084 miles. Electronic handbrake, 12-volt accessory plug-in point. You've got the 6-speed gearbox, park assist, so when you press the button, basically on the display, it will then give you the options of what parking space you're looking for. Stop start deactivation switch. You've got the dual climate control. Then on the media system you've got the CD player, full screen navigation into the home page, AM, FM and DAB radio players, CD player as I've said, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. You've also got hands-free phone operation. So on the steering wheel you've got the control for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible, cruise control and speed limiter. So moving back outside the car again, identification plate that tells it's the Ford Kuga ST line 2 litre TDCI. It's a 150 PS engine and it's a Euro 6 engine. Moving forward to the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.